Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 11, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is from here. 6th row and 7th row. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is from here. 10th row, 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is from here. 10th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is from here. Then 9 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is from here. Column H, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is from here. Then 4 is here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is from here. 4th row and 3rd grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is from here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is from here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is from here. Then 5 is here. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is from here. 7th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is from here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is from here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is from here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. 3rd row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is from here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is from here. Then 8 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is from here. Then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. 2nd row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is from here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. 3rd row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is from here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is from here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 2. Column E, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is from here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. Column G, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is from here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. Column E, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. Column G, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column F, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.